So basically, I want you guys to go to Cyber Physics Lab, Term 5, and I want you guys to go to PWM, angular velocity, and raw count. And I want you guys to go to resources. So I'm going to select on resources here. And under resources, you're going to see several things. So you'll see modeling data, notes, and you're going to see verification data, verification videos, and video experiments. All of the experiments that you see, all of these videos right here, you see, they'll be in the verification videos. I just have to cut them down. They're so large right now. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and go into video experiments, and I want to pull down 50. So if I'm going to pull down 50, I need to go to the upper right-hand corner of the details page. So we have our master page here, and this is the upper right-hand corner for the master, and this is the upper right-hand corner for the details page. So I just want to export, and I'm going to say open in. So I'm going to choose this open in icon. And once I do that, I want to go ahead and open this in video physics. So you'll see here's video physics, copy to video physics. So now it's exporting the file. And you'll notice right here that I have experiment 3, and we want to rename this immediately. So don't wait, do it now. So I'm just going to select on the I right here. And I'm going to call this raw count 50. EDB. Those are just my initials. So now that I've done that, you can see that the name has changed, and you'll notice that it's beneficial. You see how you have experiment here? I don't really know. I can look at the icon and kind of tell, but I don't have enough detail. But you could see that I have a whole bunch of videos here, a whole bunch of experiments that I've done. So it's nice to know which experiment is which. So I can go here and go to raw count. And now you'll see under raw count, you'll see the name here. You'll see points and origin and scale. So I want to go to origin and scale. And the first thing we want to do is we want to set our origin at the pivot point. So this XY axis at this very point is our pivot point. So I'm going to go ahead and move this in. This is our pivot point. So that's the point about which things spin. So, and right next to it is the pixel rod. So this is how we're going to scale what we're working with. We want to scale so that we can speak intelligently to one another. So really, right now, we don't really talk in pixels unless we're talking about how wonderful our screen is, but we do talk in meters. So right now, I know that this is 49.31, and I'm just going to double check. Yep. 49.31 millimeters. All right, so this should be set to 0 and scaled. Okay, and then I'm going to go to points. So you do want to take a snapshot of that, put that into your journal. Now I'm going to go to points, and under points, I want to track any one of these, okay? And I'm going to track this one down here. So I'm going to use my reticle here, and I want to get right in the center of this particular object. So let me see if you, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this down like so. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on the screen, and I'm going to track in the lower right-hand corner. And it's going to track this particular disk. When it says object lost like this, I'm just going to select OK, OK. And then I'm just going to go back to my track button and push track. And it's still collecting data. Why it stopped tracking, I don't know. Maybe the machine is not quick enough. I don't know. So you'll notice that what we have here, you see the scrub bar here. The scrub bar is all the way at the end, right here, okay? And so in the next video, what I want to do is I want to take the data over. So I'm going to take the data from this one over to Microsoft Excel.